Question number 11. Find the points on the curve root x plus root y equal root a at which the tangent and normal respectively are parallel to x-axis. When tangent is given curve, since tangent is parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx at point x1 comma y1 is equal 0. Then we have to find dy by dx at point x1 comma y1. We differentiate the given curve. Equation of curve root x plus root y equals root a. Now differentiate it with respect to x. We have then value of dy by dx is and at point x1 comma y1 we have dy by dx minus root y1 by root x1. Now since for tangent is parallel to x-axis, dy by dx equals 0. Then minus root y1 by root x1 equals 0. We have value of y1 is 0. Put y1 equals 0 in root x1 plus root y1 equals root a. Because point x1 comma y lie on the given curve, then point x1 comma y1 satisfy the equation of curve, means root x1 plus root y1 equals root a. Then we have root x1 equal root a and the value of x1 is a. Then point of contact for tangent is parallel to x-axis is x1 comma y1 means a comma 0. Now when normal is parallel to x-axis, normal is parallel to x-axis means tangent is perpendicular to y-axis. Normal is parallel to x-axis. That it is x-axis. Normal is parallel to x-axis. Then tangent is perpendicular to x-axis. It is normal. Then tangent is perpendicular to x-axis, or we can say tangent is parallel to y-axis. Means when normal is parallel to x-axis, then tangent is parallel to y-axis. Normal is parallel to x-axis then since normal tangent is perpendicular to normal, then tangent is parallel to y-axis. Tangent is parallel to y-axis, and tangent is parallel to y-axis means dy by dx equal infinite at point x1 comma y1 equal infinite means value of dy by dx is minus y1 by root x1 equal infinite can be written as 1 by 0, cross multiply, then value of x1 is 0. Put x1 equals 0 in root x1 plus root y1 equal root a. We have y1 equal a. Therefore, when normal is parallel to x-axis, then point of contact is 0, a, and it is answer.